looking for sewing parts and you don't know where to look, I have a video just for you. All right, everybody. As you noticed, I don't need my needle plate screws. They weren't missing after all. It was one of them days. It was one of them days, y'all. I overlooked and I'm thinking that, oh, let me show y'all actually what I thought. Where I thought my screws were missing. People like, Denise, really? People like, Denise, you did? Yeah, y'all. It's been a week. It's been a week. Let me show you. Maybe you can learn from my mistake. Maybe this is one of these moments where I'm the only one that this happens to. Go ahead and click that purchase button early because you think that you need them right away. And sometimes you get it. Let me see how I can say it. I learned my lesson. My screws, as you saw, my screws here and here are in my sewing machine. So your girl didn't need any screws at this particular moment. But since I already have them in my possession, I already paid for them, I'm going to save this box from Sewing Parts Online, and I'm going to share this information. I'm going to share their website with you all. So just in case you actually need some sewing parts or you're like me, I already got a set ready for when these go missing. Because you know when you're sewing sometimes things can get crazy. Your room could look like mine. But that's that creativity coming through. Others may not understand, but you know what's going on. Eventually, you're going to get to those projects. All that matters is that you continue to progress on that sewing project. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. For example,